Hey everyone, so I just wanted to record, this is how many views a short video is getting per minute. 1,200 views, look at that, 1,000 views, 950, that'll come up. And then just watch the subscribers. I mean, this is crazy. When you have 1,000 people watching your video a minute, your subscriber count will jump like this. So hopefully you guys have checked out my How to Grow Your YouTube channel fast. All the tips and tricks that I share there are why this is happening. Look at that, 10 subscribers in like 1 second. Look at that. So this is not like a joke, that's real. The subscribers are coming. I've gained like 20,000 subscribers in 3 months. So post short content. If I could be as brief as possible, what's the trick? Just post shorts. YouTube is promoting them. Guys, I post animal shorts. I post like how to grow on YouTube shorts. I post, F-18 Blue Angels flying around. Like, just start posting things. World Cup videos. Not trying to make this video long, but I'm just trying to encourage you and show you guys. I mean, you can really grow on YouTube right now, and I want to help you. So hit subscribe, check out the channel, check out the How to Grow Your YouTube playlist. I'm going to start making better videos. If you notice, my thumbnails are getting better. My background music's getting better. So it's paying off, guys. So I hope the things I'm learning, literally as I'm like a rookie learning how to grow a YouTube channel, I want to show you what I'm doing so you can get there, because I know what it was like to have 1 or 2 subscribers, a week or a month or whatever, wherever you're at a day. And look, now hundreds are coming in, literally. So even thousands. So thanks for watching this. Hit subscribe, stay tuned for more great videos, and don't miss the How to Grow on YouTube playlist. Definitely check it out. Thanks, guys.